Although Google local service ads are pretty easy to set up and maintain, they're not just set it and forget it. Here's 5 best practices that you need to keep in play in order to put your account in good standing and keep things moving forward. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are answering every single call and answering it quickly. Google is looking at the call transcripts, they're grading them. That's actually how they decide whether they're going to charge you or they're going to credit you that lead. And if you're not answering the phone, it can just take a couple of missed phone calls in a row for Google to stop serving you the ad, you the new customer, and start sending those leads to other competitors. So call answering is at the top of this list to keep things in good standing. If you see things start sliding and you're starting to get less lead flow and the season hasn't tapered, that means that you probably could do a better job at your call answering. The second thing that's in addition to this is your call script. So it's worth it to audit the actual calls, the call logs of your dispatch team to make sure that they're answering the phone calls in such a way that's guiding the customer through the journey, that's actually booking them or disqualifying them as a lead. And your call script is an important part that I'm not going to go into a crazy amount of detail about that can improve the quality of the lead that Google sends you, but also earn you more opportunities than you would before. A good call answering experience is something that Google wants to reward and send their prospects to you. The third thing that you want to do to keep your account in good standing is to grade your leads as they come through. Yes, it might seem time consuming. It might seem a little bit tedious, but what is your dispatcher doing besides just answering the phone? They should be grading the leads as they come through. That's what an elite company does, is they look at the quality of the lead, they rate it, they quantify it, and they make sure that it's booked or it's disqualified. I'll do other videos you can see in the description below this one, where we talk all about grading your leads, how to dispute them, and how to get credits for the things that aren't good leads. The fourth thing that you must do to keep your account in good standing is to check on a regular basis your policy manager inside of local service ads. Sometimes you might upload a photo, or you might be missing documentation, or documentation might be coming up for a replacement, like it needs to be renewed, like your insurance. You'll find those things in the policy manager, but you might also find them in the fifth thing, which is the business verification. So the first steps that you took to verify your local service ads account, you will see in there if your insurance is coming up, if your licensure is coming up for renewal, those sorts of things you'll find in the business verification. And issues with your account will show up under the policy manager. So it's important that you go in on a weekly or at least a monthly basis to be checking those things. We check it weekly for our clients because we know that just a few days of lost leads can mean thousands or tens of thousands of dollars in missed opportunity. And so in order to stay on top of it, in order to keep your account in good standing, these 5 things are important maintenance, you call it hygiene activities that you should have somebody on your team doing and taking care of. You're the owner. You should be monitoring this. You should be holding them accountable. And these 5 things will help keep your account humming along. If you got questions about local service ads, reach out to us here at Building Blocks Digital. We'd be happy to help you out with local service ads. We also have a free course that you can enroll in the description below this video called Get HVAC Lead Now. And so this is for the HVAC and plumbing industry, but I think really any industry would get a lot out of it. However, it is geared towards them. And if you're interested in getting the most out of local service ads, how to set it up, how to get it verified, how to maintain it, and troubleshoot it when things are going wrong, that resource is made specifically for you. And if you just want somebody to handle it, reach out to us. You'll find our contact details in the description below this video. You can book a call with me or somebody from my team. We'll be happy to set you up and on a path to generating more leads through local service ads and other methodologies that work well for your business. That being said, appreciate you for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you like this one, you'll love some of the other videos we have posted here on our channel that help blue-collar business owners get more out of their digital marketing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos. If you got questions or comments, post them below. I look forward to catching you on the next video. Bye for now.